Gen students, as we know that we are doing chapter number 5, does it look the shape? So in our last video we started the chapter and today we are going to learn about the rotation. That means when we rotate the different type of shapes, what differences we can see in that. So here I am going to show you some different type of shapes and their rotation. When we rotate it half turn, what happens? Okay. So here can you see this duster? Yeah, the front face of this duster is looking like a rectangle. So first we have to see that when we rotate a rectangle by half a turn, does it look the same or there is some changes? So here I am making the column. So this is shape and this is half turn. Okay. So rectangle, the first shape is rectangle. So for this what you have to do? You have to trace the shape on the sheet of paper as I am tracing it here. So this is my rectangle. Okay. This is the rectangle, or you can draw it like this. This is the rectangle. You can place it like this. Okay. It is bigger. So here this is my rectangle. Now we have to see when we will rotate it half turn, that means from here to here. So what change will come? So this is like this. The rectangle is like this, and we have to rotate it by half turn. That means we will rotate it like यहाँ से, and it will again come here. That means there is no change in the position in the shape of the rectangle. Position is changed. This the upper side came down now, but the position, the shape of the rectangle is same. So there you will write after half turn there is no change in the shape. So there is no change. Now let's see for the square. So here I have a square shape. You also can see this. This is the square. Again you have to do the same thing. So this is the square. I am tracing it here. So we have to rotate it by half turn, that means like this. So we will rotate it, and after rotating it will again come at this place, and again it is covering. So there is no change in the shape. So we will write square, no change. Now let's see for the triangle, for the half turn. So here I have a triangle. Yeah, my hanky I have folded it like a triangle. So again what we have to do? We have to see the tracing. So here I am tracing it. It's not a solid, that's why. So it's a triangle. Okay. Now again we have to see for the half turn. So it is like this. Half turn you have to rotate it here. So when you will rotate it, so it will come after half turn. This corner will come down. That means shape will be like this. So you will write there will be a change. And the shape which is like this, the triangle which is like this, it will become like this. And here the rectangle was like this, and again after turning it by half turn, it is same. And square which was like this, it is also same. Now let's see for 1/4 turn. So 1/4 turn is what? So let's see. 1 by 4 turn. Suppose we know that if I am making like this, if something is like this, we will divide it into the fourth part, then this part shows 1 by 4. Yeah, that means we have to rotate something this much. So here the rectangle, so when you will rotate it, after by 1 by 4 turn, it will become like this. No? And because at half turn it is coming at the same place, but at 1 by 4 turn it will become horizontal. So that means there is a change and it will look like this. 1 by 4 turn is like this. Now square will look same at 1 by 4th turn. You can see also. So here the square. This is the square. Okay. When you will rotate it 1 by 4th turn, that means this. Again it is coming same. So square will be same after 1 by 4th turn. It is same. Now what happened with the triangle? So after 1 by 4th turn, the triangle will look like this. The triangle will look like this. You can see here this one. Okay. So this is the triangle. When you will rotate it 1 by 4 turn, it will come like this. Only this much you have to rotate. And after half turn, it will look like this. So after 1 by 4 turn, the triangle will be like this. So we studied about the triangle, square and rectangle, about their 1 by 4 turn and half turn. And